First, I want to thank all of you for coming today, and especially for your vote of confidence. Kahit wala akong kalaban, pero I'm happy for your support. But this is the thing I would like to say. We, the new set of officers, kahit wala kaming may promise sa iyo, sa atin, sa mga kababayan natin, but we will make sure that we will do our best to be able to serve the interests of the Filipino community here in Kenya.
All right.
Of course, with your support and your help, we will be able to achieve our desires, our vision, and our dreams for the Association Unifil. Thank you sa lahat, and God bless to everyone. Please, magdasal po tayo. Let's pray for each other. Yun lang po makakatulong sa ating asosasyon. So, thank you, and let's enjoy the rest of the day. Kung saan man tayo pupunta, remember, mabuhay ang Pilipinas, mabuhay ang Unifil, mabuhay tayo lahat.
Mabuhay! Mabuhay!
Mabuhay! Thank you!